Example number 3. Write the following equations in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then write the values of a, b, c. Equation number 1. 2y is equal to 10 minus y square. Here first of all we write the given equation. 2y is equal to 10 minus y square. You know that this is the general form of a quadratic equation, and therefore when it equals to 0, it means that the right hand side is equal to 0, and therefore this minus y square and 10 taken to left side, it become y square plus 2y. This 10 taken to left side become minus 10 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We have to compare it. Compare it with ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 10. Now example number 2. It is x minus 1 whole square is equal to 2x plus 3. First of all we write the given equation. X minus 1 whole square is equal to 2x plus 3. Now expand x minus 1 whole square. For that we use the formula a minus b whole square. It is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. So therefore it is x square minus twice x plus 1. A square minus twice ab plus b square is equal to twice x plus 3. Now x square. Now taken these two terms to the left side. Minus 2x plus 1 plus 3 taken to left side minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore x square minus 2x minus 4x 1 minus 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. Now compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to minus 4. Now example number 3. It is x square plus 5x is equal to minus 3 minus x. First of all we write the given equation. X square plus 5x is equal to minus in bracket 3 minus x. Therefore x square plus 5x is equal to, here we can take this bracket to left side. This is a minus. From the to the left side it become plus. 3 minus x is equal to 0. Therefore x square plus 5x plus 3 minus x is equal to 0. X square 5x minus x 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. X square as it is 5x minus x 4x and plus 3 is equal to 0. Now compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 3. Example number 4. 3m square is equal to 2m square minus 9. First of all, we write the given equation. 3m square is equal to 2m square minus 9. Therefore, 3m square, this 2m square taken to left side, it becomes minus 2m square plus 9 is equal to 0. 3m square minus 2m square, m square. There is no term, middle term. And therefore, we write it as 0m plus 9 is equal to 0. Compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 9. Here we write ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In place of it, we also write am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. Now fifth example, p in bracket 3 plus 6p is equal to minus 5. First of all, we write the given equation. P in bracket 3 plus 6p is equal to minus 5. Simplify this bracket. P multiplied by 3, 3p plus p multiplied by 6p, 6p square minus 5 taken to left side, it becomes plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, 6p square plus 3p plus 5 is equal to 0. Now compare it. With ap square plus bp plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 6, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 5. Now sixth example, x square minus 9 is equal to 13. First of all, we write the given equation x square minus 9 minus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus 9 minus 13, 13 plus 9 minus 22 is equal to 0. Here the middle term is not given. Therefore, we write it by taking its coefficient 0. 0x minus 22 is equal to 0. Compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to minus 22. Example number 4. Determine whether the values given against each of the quadratic equation. Against each of the quadratic equation are the roots of the equation. First example, the quadratic equation is x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. And the value given against each equation is x is equal to 1 and minus 1. We have to determine it is a root or not. And therefore, we have to substitute x is equal to 1 in this polynomial. If the values of this polynomial become 0, then we can say that it is a root. If it is not become 0, then we can say that it is not a root. And therefore, first of all we put x is equal to 1 in the polynomial x square plus 4x minus 5. Therefore, x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to x square means 1 square plus 4 multiplied by 1 minus 5. 1 square means 1 plus 4 1 4 minus 5. 1 plus 4 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Means in this case x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Means the left hand side become equals to right hand side. And hence we say that x is equal to 1 is a solution of the given quadratic equation. Now x is equal to minus 1. Put x is equal to minus 1 in the polynomial x square plus 4x minus 5. Therefore x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to x square means minus 1 square plus 4 multiplied by minus 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 1 square means 1 plus minus 4 1 is 4 and this is minus 5. 1 minus 4 minus 3 minus 5 minus 3 minus 5 minus 8. This is not equals to 0. And therefore we say that x square plus 4x minus 5 is not equals to 0. And therefore x is equal to minus 1 is not a solution or solution of given quadratic equation. Second example, 2m square minus 5m is equal to 0 and value given against the equation is 2 and 5 upon 2. Therefore, first of all, put m is equal to 2 in the polynomial 2m square minus 5m. Therefore, 2m square minus 5m is equal to 2. M square means 2 square minus 5 multiplied by m means 2. That is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 square means 4 minus 5 2s are 10. That is equal to 8 minus 10. 8 minus 10 minus 2. It is not equals to 0. And therefore we say that 2m square minus 5m is not equals to 0. And therefore m is equal to 2 is not a solution of given quadratic equation. Then second, put m is equal to 5 upon 2 in the polynomial 2m square minus 5m. Therefore, 2m square minus 5m is equal to 2. m square means 5 upon 2 whole square minus 5 multiplied by m means 5 upon 2. That is equal to 2 multiplied by 5 upon 2 whole square means 25 upon 4 minus 5 multiplied by 5 25 upon 2. Here 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. That is 25 upon 2 minus 25 upon 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, we say that 2m square minus 5m is equal to 0. Here left hand side will become equals to right hand side and therefore m is equal to how much? 5 upon 2 is a solution of given quadratic equation. Example number 5. Find k if x is equal to 3 is a root of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here x is equal to 3 is a root and therefore we write here x is equal to 3 is a root of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. If it is a root, then it satisfies the given equation. Therefore, we substitute or we say that put x is equal to 3 in the equation. Therefore, we have to substitute x. Whenever you see x, you have to write 3. Therefore, k, x square means 3 square minus 10 multiplied by 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. K multiplied by 3 square. 3 square means 9k minus 30 plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, 9k, 3 minus 30 minus 27 is equal to 0. Therefore, 9k is equal to 27 taken to right side, it becomes plus. Therefore, k is equal to 27 upon this 9 is in multiplication. It is taken to right side, it becomes to divide. Therefore, k is equal to 3. This is our answer. Similarly, we see the example number 6. One of the roots of equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0 is minus 7 upon 5. Complete the following activity to find the value of k. Here, which is the root? Minus 7 upon 5 is one of the root of this equation. Therefore, we say that here minus 7 upon 5 is a root of quadratic equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0. It is a root, therefore it satisfies the equation. Therefore, put m is equal to minus 7 upon 5 in the equation. 5 multiplied by minus 7 upon 5 whole square plus 2 multiplied by minus 7 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. Here the multiplication. 5 multiplied by minus 7 upon 5 whole square is equal to 49 upon 25. 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25. 49 upon 5. 49 upon 5. Plus their multiplication. Plus minus minus 2 7 are 14 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. Now their sum. 49 upon 5 plus of minus 14 upon 5. Here the denominator is same. Therefore, we write it as it is 49 plus of minus 14. That is equal to 49 minus 14, 35 upon 5. That is equal to 7. 5 1 is 5, 5 7 is 35. So 7 plus k is equal to 0. Therefore, k is equal to 7 taken to right side, it becomes minus 7. So like this, we complete the following given activity.